fraction addition, cross multiply for the numerators, straight multiply for the denominators, and then we can do 8 times 2 is 16, that's better. And then we can do the subtraction. 16 subtract 9, that's 7, so 7k over 18. Cross multiply, straight multiply, 280e over 300e squared, and then we can simplify. So e will cancel with one of those e's. 28 over 30 is 14 over 15e. Cross multiply, straight multiply, expand all the brackets, and simplify. Doesn't matter how difficult the fractions become, it's always the same method. So lots of expanding. Being careful that I've got to subtract everything in the second bracket. So I end up with negative 4w subtract 9 is negative 13w, subtract 25 over w squared, subtract 25. Rearranging, opposite of squaring is square root. Opposite of divide is multiply. Opposite of add is subtract. So 7 root y subtract 7 equals x. Let's remove this from being a fraction by multiplying. Then I could move the y back over. Opposite of add 4 is subtract 4. And the opposite of multiply is divide. So I get x equals 1 over y subtract 4 all over 10. Opposite of subtract 1 is add 1. Opposite of divide is multiply. Move all the z's to one side, so I get 4z equals 8. Opposite of multiply is divide, so z equals 2. Bottom equation starts with a 10, so I'm going to multiply the top equation by 10. Top equation starts with negative 7, so I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by negative 7. Then the y's are exactly the same, so I can do the top subtract the bottom. Which tells me that s equals 8. Once I know that s equals 8, I can go back to the first equation and swap the s for an 8. Opposite of add is subtract. Opposite of multiply is divide. So I get y equals -8.